Written by Janice Smith, author, and illustrated by Janice Smith. Oh, girls, I'm coming, Mom. Today we're gonna go to the park today. But first we have to eat breakfast. Breakfast is very important. And then once we eat breakfast, we're gonna go to the park. Oh, before I forget, has anybody seen Baby Dynasty's hair bows? Oh no, Cheyenne, you are the one that had Baby Dynasty's hair bows last. I can't believe it. I'm busted. I don't even have a charger because I can't put my headphones in. I'm never gonna hear the end of this because Mama's gonna be upset about these hair bows. What did you do with them? You know exactly what Mama's going to say. Girls, no, I don't like you guys touching things without permission, right? Thought I put them inside of the hair box. Duh. Okay, I'll go check it really quickly. Just distract her real quick. Hello? Yes, this is she. I'm sorry, what? What time is... Oh no, Baby Dynasty, can you be still, baby? Just a minute. Girls, where are you with the hair bows? I need them now. I'm so sorry, is that the earliest time you have? 2 o'clock? Okay, I'll be right there. Mom, you'll never guess where Baby Dynasty's hair bows was. Oh my goodness, Mom. So I can explain really quickly. Just kidding, Mom. They're right here. No need to panic. No need to worry, Mom. I have them. Oh, sweetheart. Now is not the time to play, okay? We really have to get going. I heard the weather is getting bad, so we really have to be on our way. It's time to eat breakfast. Grab your sisters and let's go. Okay, Mom. Awesome. I'll see you in the kitchen, sweetie. Now let's not forget, right before breakfast, we have to say our prayers. Saying our prayers is very, very important, okay? Okay, Mom. All right, sweetie, let's dig in. Wow, Mom, there's so many things in here to choose from. We got waffles, bacon, sausage, Mom. Oh my goodness, I need at least 2 waffles, a bacon. Oh goodness, I love bacon. What am I saying right now? 2 bacons, a sausage. No. Not just sausage. Maybe one of each. Okay, Mom, 2 waffles, please. Sausage, bacon. Oh my goodness, Mom, you have others foods. Oh my goodness, I'll take a little bit of everything. Thank you, Mom. Oh my goodness, we had so much fun at the park. Everything was going really, really, really great until of course it started to rain. Ugh. My hair. Well, I guess there's always next time.